Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Use Basics. In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can log in to ChatGPT on your mobile devices. If you already have the ChatGPT app installed on your device, you can simply continue the login process through it. But today in this video, I'll be showing you how you can log in to ChatGPT from your own browsers. Firstly, open Google if you're on Android or the Safari browser if you're on iOS device. In the search bar, type chatgpt.com to access ChatGPT by OpenAI. You will now be redirected to the welcome page of ChatGPT where you'll have the option to log in, sign up, or stay logged out. Simply click on the login button to get started. You will now simply need to enter the email address from which you have created your ChatGPT account. If you don't have the email address, you can continue with Google, your Microsoft account, or your Apple account. Now tap on Continue after you have entered your email address. Enter your password through which you had previously created your GPT account and then simply click on Continue. You have now successfully logged in to ChatGPT by OpenAI. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our future videos. Thank you for watching.